Welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So today I'm going to share with you how I decorated my little reading corner in my living room using a lot of things I already had around the house and also some thrift store finds. So I had gone to a local thrift store in hopes to find a few items I could place in my reading corner. It wasn't very successful and per se that I wanted to find larger pieces, but I did find quite a few accent pieces. For example, I found this adorable, very heavy ceramic style picture frame that you can use as a frame or even as a tray. I also picked up this really adorable wooden tray heart, and I'm going to use this just to add a few crystals in my area, but I love having little trays like this all around my house for rings and jewelry, even loose coins or keys. I also picked up this really adorable vase. For some reason, I've seen these vases all over the place, and I don't know why. I've never picked them up, but now I hope I can find a larger one to add in this area as well, to make it look more as a set. But for now, I'm going to use the smaller one. I also picked up this adorable, I think it's a nursery decor piece or even a little girl's toy, but I'm going to redo this one to make it more my style for my dining room, so stay tuned for that DIY. But first, for this area, the only thing I changed is the vase, and I spray painted my vase using Rust-Oleum white flat primer paint just because I wanted it to look more of a matte style. So I gave it a really good coat and let it completely dry. Now this is an area where I'm going to put my reading corner, and it's in my living room. So what I did was just basically move that cabinet out of the way. Then I had this room divider in my closet for about a year, and I've had it with me for a few years, and I kind of placed it in different areas, just really never liked it, so it ended up being staying in my closet for about a year. So I was really excited to be able to use it in this area. I did pick this up at a local thrift store again a few years ago. So I shopped around my house and I found this little table that actually I did DIY myself also, and just placed it in here because of course you always need a little coffee end table in your reading corner. So I also had this chair. I am looking for an oversized, more comfy chair for this corner. But for now, this one's gonna work perfectly fine. And then here is the vase that I DIY'd. All I did was add a few little greenery stems in here just to keep it simple, but also so the vase could stand out as well. So then I shopped around and went and looked for some of my books. These are some of my favorite books. Some of them I just kind of referenced to, and other ones I'm still reading. So I kind of just used them to as stands to make my vase a little bit higher. Then of course I added my wooden heart tray with a few of my favorite crystals. And then I shopped around some more, and I knew I wanted to place a blanket here. And my mother just passed away, and I have some of her blankets that she knitted and made for us. So this is one of them. So I decided to go ahead and place it here just to give it a little spot and display some of her work. I also added a pillow and then this little stool that I got at Five Below. Then I walked around and found this lamp. Now, I don't know about this lamp. I think it's kind of a larger lamp, oversized lamp, thick-wise for this area. But for now, it's going to work as well. So I just went ahead and plugged it in and made sure the light worked in there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and hide the wiring cable and also just adjust it and place it where I wanted to. So then I had this really cute vase, and you can see that I'm just kind of looking around and shopping my home again just to see what kind of things I wanted to place in this area. Then I went ahead and had this wooden candle holder and just placed the one wooden candle holder right behind my vase. And then I did go ahead and use the ceramic picture frame, and I left it as is. I think I'm going to go ahead and put maybe a Bible verse saying in here and just print it out, or even a picture of my mother. I'm not too sure yet, but for now it's going to stay that way. Then I also went ahead and picked up this basket. I had this one in my bathroom, so I'm just going to go ahead and retie the little strings in the front and add it to the bottom of my table in order to add more books and such in there, just so I can have ready for me to read or reference in my little corner. So a great way to redecorate any area of your home is to shop around your house as well before you do go and buy major items at different stores or thrift stores, just because you'll be surprised how many items you can find around your house that you won't even miss in other areas. Before you go and spend more money, this is a perfect way to decorate on a budget. So this is the way it all turned out. It isn't perfect, at least yet for me, but it is perfect enough to keep and display. And little by little, as I find other items, I will be redoing some of these areas, but for now it's perfect. And I love this little reading corner that I finally was able to make in my room, in my area. This area is in my living room, so it's perfect for me. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial in decorating with me. If you did, again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.